Today is, I don't know what kind of lace it is, but it is amazing. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Anti-Bacterial for those gentlemen, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back to hear my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. So now that you have watched me install a wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. So this wig review was sent over by the company Main Concept for me to review for you guys. So thank you Main Concept for sponsoring this wig review. This unit is by Main Concept Red Carpet in the size Saturday. I have Saturday in the color SR4 Honey Brown. So Saturday comes with 3 combs, one here, one in the back, as well as adjustable strap. It does have a 4-inch deep lace part along with baby hairs. It is 22 inches of deep wave. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I really love the color of Saturday, and I love that I would consider it beginner friendly, because after I cut the lace, all I had to do was lay down the baby hairs and that was it. The lace on Saturday is, I don't know what kind of lace it is, but it is amazing. Let's see if I can find it for you guys. This is HD everyday lace. HD everyday lace. You see this? See how gorgeous this is? Yeah, I love that lace. Really enjoy the lace and how it seamlessly just blends and looks just like my scalp. But what I don't like about this unit, it has a lot of flyaways. It does tangle at the nape and it does shed a tiny bit, but I do enjoy that it is very beginner friendly. I didn't have to guess. I didn't have too much manipulation to do for the wig. It was just cut the lace, lay down the baby hairs, and boom, that was it. And I did put some foundation powder in the lace area right here. So yeah, so I would say it's very beginner friendly, but because it has a lot of flyaways, it does shed and tangles, I would give it a 6.5 just for that. But other than that, I love the color, I love the ease of it, I love that it's beginner friendly, and I love the price. At the time of recording, it starts at $32.25. So again, Main Concept, thank you for sending me this wig to review. Thank you for entrusting me and giving my audience the honest opinion by reviewing this wig and showcasing this wig. And I do hope to work with you guys in another video. So if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like this video, comment on this video. Don't forget to leave a comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell and leave me a comment down below whether you enjoy this color on me, the length or the makeup. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.